Here's a very super duty. It's an F-450 Lariat. Dual wheel. You can see it's got the FX4. It's a Lariat. Under 16,500 kilometers on it. 360-degree trailer camera. Reverse sensing tailgate step here. Power running boards. Remote entry, remote start, of course. Full leather, power heated, cooled front seats. Dual panel moonroof. Voice navigation. Trailer brake controller. This is a beautiful truck that you're going to find at Brown Brothers Ford, Lincoln, and we're at 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.